Struggling with finding the right RF connector? Here's everything you need to know about all types of RF connectors and how they can transform your setup. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of RF connectors, an essential part of communication systems, electronics, and so much more. Whether you're setting up a professional broadcast studio or building your first DIY project, understanding the different types of connectors is key to achieving the best signal quality. Stay with me as we break down each type, its features, and its best applications. BNC connectors. First up is the BNC connector, one of the most popular types in RF systems. Known for its quick bayonet locking mechanism, it's often used in video signal transmission and radio applications. BNC connectors offer reliable, high-frequency performance, making them a staple in both amateur and professional setups. SMA connectors. Next, we have the SMA connector. Its compact size and screw-type design make it perfect for microwave and high-frequency applications, like Wi-Fi antennas and cellular systems. If you're working on projects that require precision and a strong connection, SMA connectors are your go-to. N-type connectors. The N-type connector is built for durability and weather resistance. It's commonly found in outdoor applications, such as satellite communications and wireless base stations. Known for its low signal loss and ability to handle higher power, it's ideal for long-range setups. TNC connectors. The TNC connector is similar to the BNC but with a threaded design, offering better performance in vibration-heavy environments. It's perfect for aerospace, military, and mobile applications. UHF connectors. The UHF connector, though somewhat older, is still widely used in radio frequency applications, especially in the amateur radio world. It's easy to use but more prone to signal loss at higher frequencies, making it less ideal for modern digital systems. How to choose the right connector. Now that we've gone through the most common types of RF connectors, the big question is, how do you choose the right one for your project? It comes down to the application, frequency range, and durability requirements. If you're working on outdoor projects, N-type is your best bet. For high frequency, SMA is the way to go. Each connector serves a unique purpose, so knowing their strengths will help you make the right decision. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into tech and electronics. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific connector you'd like to know more about.